Hello everyone, Richard here. Today I'll be teaching you how to create a CHR. A CHR, or by its English acronym, Cloud Hosted Router from MikroTik, is a virtualized version of the Router OS operating system. It is specifically designed to run on virtualization platforms and cloud environments like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, and also on hypervisors like VMware, VirtualBox, among others. The CHR includes most of the features of Router OS, making it a versatile option for those who need advanced network configurations, such as VPNs, firewalls, load balancing, and bandwidth controls. Being a cloud-based router, it allows you to create and manage networks similarly to a physical router, but with the flexibility of a virtual environment. In this case, I have already created the CHR cloud-hosted router in AWS. What we're going to learn now is how to license it, since the default license is free and only allows a maximum of 1 megabit per second. This option works well for testing environments, but for a production environment, it's best to upgrade to a P1 MikroTik license. Let's go topes//aws.amazon.com/. If you don't have an account, click on Create Account to create one. In my case, I already have a CHR created, so I'll click on Sign In to consult. Here you can see the instance I have in AWS for my MikroTik CHR, which is already running. Now I'm going to copy the public IP address to connect to the MikroTik using Winbox, which I had copied earlier. The login will be admin, and I'll leave the password blank. Click Connect. We'll close this for now and zoom in to see better. Then I go to IP services, and I'm going to disable all services except Winbox. Now let's go to System Users. We need to create a custom user for security, so I click on the plus sign. The name will be Richard_AWS. In the group, it will be full. I'm going to copy the username and password in the notepad. And I paste the password and confirm it. Apply and OK. Now the next step is to log in to Winbox with a custom user. Very good. I'll end the old session here. Zoom in on this new session. And then I'm going to System Users, and I'm going to delete the default admin user for security reasons. So now the only way to manage the MikroTik CHR will be through the user Richard_AWS. Now let's go to System, Packages, and I'm going to check for new updates. Here I found one for version 7.16.1. I'm going to click Download and Install. Then we wait a few seconds for the update to apply. And as you can see, this is working correctly. The next step is to add some security to your MikroTik's firewall. In this case, I will configure a couple of simple rules, since focusing on firewall rules is not the scope of this video, but I want to come to this section precisely, so you keep in mind to install a secure firewall so your device does not have vulnerabilities. I click the plus sign. Chain, Input, Connection State. I'm going to select Established, Related, and then in the Action tab. So this will all be accepted. AWS instance. Again, click the plus sign. Chain, input, connection state, invalid, action, drop. Apply and OK. So now I can check the log with peace of mind, and you can see that I don't have any type of attack. Now let's give our router a name. In my case, I will call it Link IT Tutorial. The next step is to check my router's license. For this, we go to System, License, and we can see that at the moment we have a free license. So I think it's necessary to go to the manufacturer's website to compare the different license levels for CHR. As you can see, as of today, the free license has a speed limitation of 1 megabit per second, and the P1 license has a speed limitation of 1 gigabit per second. And the price at the moment I'm recording this video is $45. This license is perpetual. Also, if you wish to upgrade to a P10 or unlimited license, you can do so later. That is optional. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to choose the P1 license. So if you need to license your CHR, you must have an account with MikroTik. Let's go to MikroTik.com to the account option. Here you can log in if you already have a MikroTik account. If you don't have an account, you can register here and you must fill in all the information they request. In my particular case, I just have to log in and then I click where it says All CHR Keys. As you can see at this moment, I already have a license that is running on another CHR, different from this one, of course, .mikrotik.com. But what I want to do is show you how to license your CHR from scratch. So we return to Winbox and click on Renew License. And here we're going to enter the login details for our MikroTik account. We type in the email, the password, and I will leave the level at P1. Click Start. The message Done appears. Close. Here it shows us the renewal dates and the payment deadline. And the license level is P1. This means that I can now handle a maximum traffic of up to 1 gigabit per second per interface. So right now, I'm going to update my CHR license information. And as you can see, the information appears here and the level shows P1 perpetual trial, and it shows the expiration date. But it is already working until this deadline. This means I have my entire CHR up and running, available to work on and make any type of configuration I need, and I already have it licensed. Well, friends, this is the most practical way I found to create a MikroTik CHR on the AWS platform. I hope you enjoy this video and that it can help you in your projects. See you next time.